So I went to the store and got some rolling papers, and when I was there, found this cool box. It was all made out of cedar. It was really rough and needed to be sanded, and just went ahead and did some shugi on, and this nice blue stain. Then did this nice ebony stain, did little ebony stain accents, but the edges were made out of plywood, and they honestly were not looking that nice when I finished them. So I went ahead and did this. Went ahead and made it. Wanted to try and find something that looked similar. Oh, there's the sun. Nice. So I wanted to make it look like a 1970s. Hard to juggle. A 1970s motorcycle helmet. And I think I achieved what I was looking for. It's like a glitter bomb. So yeah. So I went there and bought rolling papers. I was like, this is a cool little box. I like to put my rolling papers in that. Nice ebony stain, shugi bond green pop in. That's a nice blue stain. It was translucent. I think I'd like to try and do a clear blue stain next time. But yeah, that glitter bomb is what's up. So yeah, another fun little project I did come to fruition. So little 6-sided box. It's all cedar. So all right. Well, have a beautiful day. Yeah, it's my little backyard next to the creek, and the reason why I love it here so much is because of this. It's so fucking quiet. I love it here. Oh well, have a good one. Have a beautiful day.